go.
Mabuhay, good morning. Welcome to Mariah Hotel. How can I assist you today, ma'am?
Do you have any available room tonight?
Absolutely. We have a few options now. Are you looking for particular something?
Just a single room tonight, please. Something possible.
Of course, ma'am. Looks like we have a room available and a second floor with a nice view of the garden. Would that work for you, ma'am?
Sounds perfect.
Great. May I have a visit for you, ma'am? May I have your passport or visa, please?
Yeah, sure.
And also, ma'am, can you fill out this form, ma'am? And how long will you be staying with us, ma'am? And how long will you be staying with us, ma'am?
Just for tonight. Perhaps asking to know if they have conference.
Okay, ma'am. I will proceed to chicken process, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I will proceed to chicken process, ma'am. And please verify your contact information, ma'am. And your credit card for any additional purchase.
Sure.
Okay, ma'am. Well, we're glad to have you and we did this tonight. And here's your key card, ma'am. And if you need anything else, just let us know.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mabuhay. Good morning. Welcome to Mariah Hotel. How may I assist you today?
Good morning. We are looking for a room for today. Do you have any availability?
Let me check for a while. Yes, we do have some available rooms. How many people will be staying?
Eight,
How many rooms would you need?
how many rooms? Two. Eight, two.
How many nights you'll be staying?
That's enough.
Alright, let me find the best room for you. We have available room, quadruple room on the third floor. Each room comes with 2 single bed and 1 double bed. That is suitable for your room.
Yes, that sounds good.
Great. May I have everyone's identification, please? Thank you. I will now proceed with check-in process. Could you please verify contact information and provide a credit card for any additional charges for your stay? Thank you. Your check-in process is complete. Here are the room keys. Your room are located on third floor. Your room number is 301 and 302. If you need any assistance during your stay, don't hesitate to contact the front desk.
Thank you. Let's go.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Mariah Hotel. How may I assist you today?
Good afternoon. We have a reservation under the name of Comfort.
Yes. Welcome back, Mr. Cooper. We're delighted to have you with us again. May I have your valid ID for verification, please?
Yes, that's correct. We're looking forward for a comfortable stay at our family.
Wonderful! You'll be pleased to know that we prepared your suite according to your preferences, with extra amenities for your daughter. Here is your room key, along with a welcome packet that includes information about our hotel facilities and services. You'll also find a list of family-friendly activities happening during your stay.
Thank you so much. Could you also assist us with dinner reservation for tonight? We'd like a table for 3 at your restaurant.
Of course, Mr. Cooper, I'll make a note of that and ensure your table is ready at your preferred time. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you need any further assistance during your stay.
Thank you very much for your help. We truly appreciate your warm welcome.
So we already prepared a treat for you to enjoy the Please enjoy your stay.
Good afternoon. We have VIPs currently in the hotel. Please ensure all departments are aware and prepared to provide top-notch service.